Open your mouth and put it in.
Is that a good churro, KK? Cade, are you eating your churro? Hayden, move yours. Cade, do you want your churro?
He almost ate some of my mom.
Do you want to eat it? Huh?
Okay, Hayden's going to eat it.
He's a good baby.
Missed the first time.
Is that good, Kate? That's a good churro, huh? KK, are you gonna take another bite? Are you gonna take some more?